for safe transport of mothers and their newborns from government hospitals to their homes post-delivery. My government has procured 500 Talli Bidda express vehicles costing rupees 71 crores. This initiative has benefited 3,27,289 mothers. With a view to improve and reinforce the women empowerment efforts and strengthen the economic development of the poor SHG women in both rural and urban areas, my government has been implementing the YSR Asara program. The objective of the scheme is to reimburse the entire bank outstanding loan amount as on 11/4/2019 directly to the group savings account of the SHG women in 4 installments. So far, 7,98,395 SHGs consisting of 78.84 lakh women got the benefit of an amount of rupees 25,571 crores over a period of 4 years. The growth of SHG bank linkage in the state of Andhra Pradesh is phenomenal. AP state stood in the first position in the country with 30% national share, with 99.83% recovery under SHG bank linkage program, with yearly bank linkage disbursement of about around rupees 30,000 crores in both rural and urban areas. With an intention to encourage better repayment culture, economic empowerment, and to reduce interest burden on the rural and urban self-help group members on their bank loans, my government has been implementing the YSR Sunna Vaddi scheme. So far, an amount of rupees 4,969.05 crores was disbursed to 9,76,119 SHGs in 4 installments. YSR Cheyuta is yet another important scheme specifically targeted towards the welfare of the women in the state. It is a unique welfare program to extend financial assistance of rupees 75,000 in 4 years continuously at the rate of rupees 18,750 per annum